Hi everyone, in this video we want to find the value of x. Solution: let us raise both sides to the power of 4. So we are going to have x raised to power x raised to power 4 or raised to power 4 equal to 64 raised to power 4. I want you to note that a raised to power m or raised to power n can be written as a raised to power n or raised to power m. We just interchange the power. So we want to use the same principle for the left hand side. We want to interchange this power. So I can write x raised to power 4 all raised to power x raised to power 4 equal to 64 is equal to 8 raised to power 2. So let us write 8 raised to power 2 all raised to power 4. And a raised to power m all raised to power n can be written as a raised to power m multiplied by n. So let us use this formula for the right hand side, which implies that we can multiply 2 and 4 together. So we are going to have x raised to power 4, everything raised to power x raised to power 4 equal to 8 raised to power 8. In both sides, the base and the power are the same, so we can equate it to each other. I can say x raised to power 4 equal to 8. So if we take fourth root of both sides, we are going to have x equal to plus or minus fourth root 8. That is our answer. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.